Now, a court in Switzerland is set to today hand down its verdict against the former Gambian Interior Minister Ousman Sonko. Now, he's accused of committing various crimes against humanity under the regime of the former dictator Yahya Jammeh. During his trial at the start of the year, the Federal Prosecutor's Office requested life imprisonment for Sonko. The defence pleads acquittal, even claiming financial compensation for the years he spent in custody. Well, we're going to cross then to Dakar, talk to our West Africa correspondent, Sam Bradpiece, who joins us from there. Sam, first of all, just remind us then of exactly what Sonko is accused of and who he actually is.
Well, it's important to put this in context. During the nearly two-decade dictatorship of Yahya Jammeh, hundreds of Gambians were killed, tortured, and forcibly disappeared. Many of them also raped or otherwise sexually assaulted. For much of this dictatorship, Sonko served as Jammeh's right-hand man, as his interior minister, effectively overseeing the country's security apparatus, including a notorious death squad known as the Junglers. He's been charged with crimes against humanity, with Swiss prosecutors saying that he participated in, facilitated and supported systematic and generalized attacks against opponents of the regime, many of whom were civilians. Sonko is the highest-ranking figure within Jammeh's inner circle to face justice. And, as you mentioned, if he's found guilty, he could spend life in prison.
Sam, what does this mean then, potentially anyway, for the former dictator himself, Yahya Jammeh?
Well, Trial International, which is the organisation which initially alerted Swiss authorities to Ousman Sonko's presence on Swiss soil, allowing him to be tried under universal jurisdiction, have said that they hope he will be found guilty and that they hope this will put pressure on international authorities to bring Yahya Jammeh himself to justice. Following the collapse of his regime, Yahya Jammeh fled to Equatorial Guinea, which is a country in Central Africa with no extradition treaty with the Gambia, which so far has allowed him to escape justice. But campaigners, ordinary citizens in the Gambia, and various international actors as well are really hoping that a guilty verdict today will get things moving, will bring Yahya Jammeh himself one step closer to justice. And they say that already a guilty conviction for Ousman Sonko would be one step towards victory.
Sam, thanks very much. Sam Bradpiece, our correspondent there in Dakar, following that story for us. Thanks.